In this video, we will use the TP-Link model as an example to show you how to install the outdoor Wi-Fi AP. Before installation, select a location for the outdoor Wi-Fi AP. Place it close to the microinverter, with no metal obstructions nearby. Open the package. The accessories are as shown. Screw the two antennas onto the top of the access point. Take out the PO adapter and plug in the power cord. Plug one end of the Ethernet cable into the LAN port of the PO adapter. Plug the other end of the Ethernet cable into your home router. Take another Ethernet cable and plug it into the PO port. Push the lower part of the access point outward to open it. Please take note of the AP's SSID name labeled inside. Plug the network cable in from the bottom. Install the mounting bracket, paying attention to the orientation of the product. Use the screws included in the package to secure the mounting bracket to the wall. Slide the access point into the mounting bracket from top to bottom to secure it. Plug the power cord into an outlet. Check the side of the AP. If the green light is on, the installation is successful. Then, use your phone or laptop to complete the network setup. Turn on your phone's Wi-Fi. Locate and connect to the SSID of the outdoor Wi-Fi AP. Open the browser on your phone and log into the website shown below. Log in to the administrator account. The default username and password are both admin, all lowercase. Start quick setup. Set up your own administrator account. Click Next. Select AP mode. Please set your SSID username and password. Cygin Micro will connect to the AP using these credentials. Please remember your username and password, then click Next. Congratulations, you have completed the outdoor Wi-Fi AP setup. Next, in the Cygin Micro commissioning procedure, you can connect Cygin Micro to the AP's WLAN. Wait for the mobile phone to connect to the Cygin Micro network. Cygin Micro will automatically detect nearby WLAN networks. Locate the SSID you previously set for your AP and enter the corresponding password. Connection successful. Please proceed with the remaining startup steps by referring to the Cygin Micro installation guide video.